Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Gemini. If you want more clarity in your situation, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, so you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Two of Swords, Strength in reverse, and Knight of Pentacles. So Gemini, in your situation, guys, in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone who is really responsible and you are someone who is dedicated and devoted to the choices that you have made or the decisions you have taken, and you stand by those decisions, you see it through, you work it till the end. You have that perseverance, hard work, determination and strong willpower, and you are a very honest person in your life. So let it be in your work or let it be in your personal life, you are someone who is really honest and you make honest choices, honest decisions for yourselves. So truthful choices you are making today, guys. And you are someone who is in a very good position in life. Maybe you are holding an important job that has a lot of responsibilities, and you are someone really truthful and dedicated, devoted, and you have a particular way of dealing your situation, and people around you may see you as someone who is very, very strict, who is not really flexible and who is stubborn, and they may see you as someone using your power and position to achieve certain things, or they may feel that you are abusing your power and position for some things. And maybe for some of you, you may have some obsession, or this person you love, they may have some obsessions or addictions that may be the reason for some troubles you are seeing today. But you are trying your best to tell this person what is the right thing or how they can come out of these difficulties, or you yourself, maybe if it is your situation, maybe you are having addictions or you are fighting those addictions. You are trying hard, you are thinking truthfully, deciding for yourself truthfully, but no matter what you are doing, it is really difficult or painful to give up these addictions or obsessions that you have. And maybe today you are making some important choices in your situation. So something is pressing you to make some choices today in your life, and you are unable to find a compromise. Maybe you have to decide this way or the other way, and you are unable to deny the truth that you are seeing today, guys. And that is the reason you feel really stressed today, because you are someone who is honest and truthful and you stick to the truth in your heart. But today you are in a situation where you need to give up truth, and that is simply killing you, and you never do that. But if you make that honest, truthful choice, it is going to affect someone. So you are trying your best to compromise, but it is really difficult for you, guys, Gemini. So if you stand by your honest choice, it is going to affect someone, but giving up the truth, it is simply making you worried, because you are someone who is always honest and truthful, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini, for your general reading. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards. This is your first card, and the first crystal, the second card and the second crystal. So any doubts or confusions, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Apache Tears. So with this card, it just means that letting go of the grief you are experiencing today, maybe of the past, and releasing all that pain and hurt so that you will heal from the situation today. So this crystal spirit, it does not stand for repressing your emotions or being afraid. It just helps you to accept the facts that what is happening today, and you need to release all that hurt you're feeling, all that heartache you are having. So in order to enjoy happiness and peace of mind in future, guys. So often when we are in some situation where things are not going as we planned, and we feel rejected, hurt by someone, or certain things are not working according to our expectations, we really feel hurt. So we may experience a lot of pain and hurt, but we need to understand that someday when we look back at this day, we will be simply smiling because we will know the import of this situation then, guys, and we will understand that rejection is God's protection in some ways. So this crystal spirit is calling you to recognize that even this loss or pain we are bearing today will become an unexpected gift, and it will help us to live our lives more fully, lovingly and more meaningfully in future, and much more good things will come our way in our life. So we need to hold fast to the truth and see how destiny is unfolding for us in our life, guys. And we need to clear the space by releasing the past and washing away all that with our tears, maybe. And we need not hold on to the old emotions. So when we clear the space, something new is going to come in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The Crystal Spirits Oracle card for y'all today. So thank you for watching, guys. So now let's see what is the second card and the reading with that card. So we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Goose Girl, Theft. So for those who chose this card, guys, it just means that in your situation, maybe there is someone who has wronged you very badly, and they have tried to take something from you, something that is really precious for you, and they have wronged you very badly. You trusted them, but they are not someone to be trusted. But whatever you have lost, maybe even you have lost your identity, or you don't know what you are today, and you have no one to tell what has happened today. But whatever it is, truth will always shine through, guys, and justice will unfold at the right time. So you need not worry. So people who are envious are trying to take something from you, or they have already taken, or maybe for some of you, if you have taken something from someone which is precious to them, you need to understand that though you try very hard to hide what has happened, justice will surely unfold, and you can never keep truth from being revealed, guys. So at the right time, truth will be revealed. So if there is someone who has wronged you, you should understand that you are unique and your identity will never be lost, and it will shine through however hard you try to cover yourself up, guys. And you cannot be copied, and you are cared and protected for. And maybe people love you for what you truly are, your true nature, not for the possessions you have, not for the things you have, or how rich you are, or for your status. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that you are valued for your true self, not for the things you have with you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, you need to understand that truth will always be revealed, and you can never hide truth for a long time. So that is the energy, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Watching this pick a card love reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.